Hi guys, I Aziz welcome you to CoedMaster, and in this video I am going to talk about how to create a stream using generate factory method of stream interface in Java. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Alright guys, let's begin this video. So guys, in previous video we have seen that we have used stream dot of factory method to create streams from variable arguments. Now in this video we will see how to create stream from generate factory method of stream interface. Okay, so stream interface has two methods to create stream. Okay, one is the of method and the second one is generate method. If you look over here, you will see that the generate method takes a supplier. So let's call generate. Okay, now let's go to the documentation of generate method. Here you will see that this generate method is returning a stream of type T and this method is taking a supplier. Now the question over here is, what is a supplier? So let's go to the documentation of supplier and you will see that it is returning a result. So supplier is basically a functional interface and the purpose of supplier interface is to supply a value. That's it, nothing more, nothing less. It's the entire purpose is just to supply a value. Okay, so as the supplier is a functional interface, we can always pass lambda expression to it. So let's call lambda expression and the value we want to generate is only plus symbol. Okay, so this is the value we want this supplier to generate. Okay, so this piece of code is going to generate a stream of string. So let's call stream of a string and give it a name, string. Okay, so we have successfully created a stream using generate factory method of stream interface. Now it's time to print this stream on the screen. So what do we do when we want to print stream on the screen? We convert this stream into a collection. So let's call list. Okay, and it's going to be a list of a string. Okay, so give it a name and let's call stream dot collect method and give it a collector. So this is how we convert the stream into a collection. Now let's print this collection on the screen, give it a li, let's run the program and you will see that the program is still running. It is not stopping at all and it is keep running continuously. And after some time you will see that it is throwing an exception, that is java.lang.out of memory exception. So this means that the Java heap space is going out of memory and that is why we are receiving this exception, out of memory exception. Now what is mean by this exception? So guys, we have not covered this topic before this video that a stream can also generate infinite stream also. So let's again go back to the documentation of generate method. If you go to documentation of generate method, you will see that it is returning a infinite sequential unordered stream. Okay, so generate method is basically generating an infinite stream of elements. So that is why we got this exception out of memory error. Okay, now you may be wondering that what is the need of infinite stream? So guys, there are many cases where you can leverage this feature of a stream. Okay, may be possible that you may encounter those use cases later in the future. Now the question over here is, how can we stop this stream from creating an infinite stream? Well, there is one method that we can use to stop this stream from creating infinite stream. And I hope that you might have guessed that method. That method is nothing but a limit method. Okay, so let's call limit and this limit method takes a max size. So this max size defines how many elements we want to process to next processing pipeline. So let's give it a 10. Okay. So what this limit method does, it's going to consume 10 elements from this stream and after 10th element, it's simply going to discard all the elements. So after 10th element, it's not going to consume any elements from this stream. And this is how we are going to get 10 elements from the stream and then we have collected all the elements into a list and then we are printing it. Now if you run this program now, it will work absolutely fine, and you will see that all the 10 plus is printed on the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So basically how limit method works here, limit method is going to consume only 10 elements, and after 10 elements it's not going to consume any elements at all. And if you remember from the working of stream, how stream works, stream take one element at a time. It travels through all the processing pipeline from the first method to the last method. Okay, so this is the reason why limit method stops the generation of more elements from this stream. So basically this limit method is working as a short circuiting method here, that after 10th element it is not going to consume any element anymore. So guys, I hope by now you understood that how to create a stream from generate factory method of a stream interface. Alright guys, this is all from my side for this video. If you learned something valuable from this video, then please hit the like button in order to make YouTube algorithm happy. Please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so my friend you never miss any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.